Twisted
Lingua.
Lesson 19. Modal verb musieć.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's start.
Hello again in Twisted Lingua Polish lesson. Today's lesson is focusing on a modal verb musieć. Musieć is a modal verb that expresses necessity, and like in English it goes together with infinitive. In Polish we have musieć that in English replaces have to, must, and sometimes need to. Musieć belongs to conjugation to ę, isz, and it conjugates like this. Muszę, musisz, musi, musimy, musicie, muszą. It's quite easy to conjugate, but please remember that the first person in singular, muszę, and the last in plural, muszą, are slightly different. Just a quick reminder, we have 5 conjugations in Polish. If you're not sure about them, visit our Facebook page at Twisted Lingua and don't forget to give us a like. As I mentioned before, musieć always go together with infinitive. So let's have a look at some examples. Mam bałagan. Muszę posprzątać dom. I have a mess. I have to clean the house. Jestem chora. Muszę zostać w domu. I am ill. I have to stay at home. Musisz już iść? Do you already have to go? Ostrożnie. Musisz uważać. Watch out. You have to be careful. Sergio musi być w pracy o 7. Sergio has to be at work at 7. Jasia jest zmęczona. Ona musi odpocząć. Jasia is tired. She has to rest. Jesteśmy głodni. Musimy coś zjeść. We are hungry. We have to eat something. Mamy problem. Musimy pogadać. We have a problem. We must talk. Musicie więcej ćwiczyć. You must exercise more. Matrix jest super. Musicie oglądnąć ten film. Matrix is superb. You have to watch this film. Kasia i Max muszą odrobić zadanie domowe. Kasia and Max have to do the homework. Max i Nadia to super para. Oni muszą się bardzo kochać. Max and Nadia are a great couple. They must love each other a lot. Now, I have a little task for you. Grab some paper and a pen. Try your best. I will reveal the answers on Sunday night on our Facebook page. Wspaniale! Dziękuję i do zobaczenia za tydzień. If you want to learn more with Twisted Lingua, follow us on Facebook and on YouTube.